Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. So as you can see, I'm currently in a hotel right now, and that's because I'm in Shanghai here today to attend the China Joy show. So China Joy is like the largest gaming and just a cosplay kind of show here in China, and I was there to actually check out the Qualcomm booth. So I got my Qualcomm stuff right here. So as you guys probably already know, Qualcomm is the provider for all the Snapdragon series processors. And at the Qualcomm booth, there were actually so many different brands over there. Xiaomi was there was OnePlus, Oppo, Lenovo, as well as even the Red Magic was also there. And the booth that I actually checked out the most is the Black Shark booth, because I really wanted to get a hands-on with the Black Shark 2 Pro. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys a very quick hands-on with the Black Shark 2 Pro. Without further ado, let's jump into the video right away.
Alright guys, so here we have the three different colors of the Black Shark 2 Pro. We have the very striking blue, the black, and as well as the silver version. So these are placed on the wall and you cannot actually touch the blue device, which I would really like to have a hands-on with. But anyway, here is it for you guys to have a quick look at the blue version. So just to quickly recap, the Black Shark 2 Pro comes with the latest Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, 12GB of RAM, and a 3000 RMB price tag, which is really affordable for the specs you're getting. So first up, let's check out the silver device. On the back here, you have this really unique and interesting back panel, just like on the Black Shark 2, but it is slightly different from the Black Shark 2. So if you look really closely, the two long middle blue stripes are not actually light up. The only part that lights up is the Black Shark 2 logo, as well as the two tiny strips at the top and bottom. So what do you guys think of this back panel? Do you like it or do you hate it? I find the mirror parts rather interesting, and I like how it actually fits perfectly in my hand. Moving on to the right side, you still have that Black Shark button which activates the game mode, and on the left you have your volume rocker. Moving the device down to the bottom, you'll notice that the headphone jack is still not here, just like on the Black Shark 2. And on the front, we still have these really thick bezels both on the top and bottom. The good thing is that the Black Shark 2 Pro still comes with the stereo speakers. So you have the stereo speaker at the top and at the bottom, and this gives you a really good sound quality. So I've tested it out before and the sound is really good here. Moving on, let's check out the black version of the Black Shark 2 Pro. So this one looks really slick in my opinion. Once again, let's check out the back panel. We have these sides which are in matte, as just like on the silver one, but somehow this black version just looks a little bit more cooler than the silver version. At the bottom, once again, you do not get the headphone jack, and on the sides we still have this LED strip which looks extremely cool on the Black Shark 2 Pro. It kind of reminds me of a Razer device because of the black and green color combinations. And let me just show you guys the Black Shark mode. So once you push the button on, you actually jump straight into your game mode, like you see here. And yeah, so far I just did a quick hands-on and tested out a few apps. And of course, because it is running on the latest and most powerful Snapdragon 855, we're getting the best performance in terms of speed right here on the Black Shark 2 Pro. Alright guys, other than that, that's it for this video. Like I said, this is just a quick hands-on and a look at the different colors of the Black Shark 2 Pro. The halls are really just too noisy for me to actually film comfortably here in China Joy, but let's take a last final look at the three colors available. The very striking blue, the black, and the silver. So let me know down in the comment section below which color you prefer the most, and if you guys are actually considering getting this device. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!